Hello, so my name is Manuel, and I'm going to do an informal report presentation on Workday. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, the company background. So I've done research on information for Workday on their actual website, and Workday was developed in California by Dave Duffield and Anel Bursary, and Fortnite magazine considered Workday number 7 as their top jobs as of 2018. Alright, the purpose of development, I've researched the purpose of Workday and what it's mainly used for. I also looked up, so it's mainly used to provide support and for developed organizations and software. It's a software-based application for payroll and HR departments. It helps specializes in management and financial needs. Workday provides great technical support for all their products. The software and development, I researched how Workday uses their systems, and it's mainly a cloud-based system and it uses software as a service. Workday provides a wide variety of support for all the departments and agencies within a business. I found that Workday is one of the most powerful cloud-based systems. And the technology aspects, I've looked abroad and I've knew that this kind of technology is just getting more advanced as we get into the future. So the competition, as I researched, I found that Oracle is the main competitor for cloud-based infrastructures as opposed to like IBM and Microsoft. But like Workday focuses on their security and reliability for clients who want to use a dependable product, and it's something that's more reliable. It's a cloud-based infrastructure which gets well into the future, and it makes things much more simpler to manage. Workday is much more affordable and much more simpler to configure. Okay, so the implementation process, I've researched Workday is more easier to implement. Workday is a cloud-based, mainly managed by an IT department. There's an advantage of software as a service, which requires no physical computer hardware or software, and it's much more easier to maintain and support. I've also found that Workday is used to grow existing HCM systems and business processes, but it does take a bit of time to get used to and to support. And future careers at Workday, I've researched some careers that I possibly want to work for in the future. And what makes me want to work at Workday, it's one of the leading providers as a cloud-based system. And IT is just a broad, subject, and there's always a demand for IT techs. And I picked Workday because I've seen it in other companies and businesses I've worked for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for your time.